In this video I will show how to get transcript from YouTube video. First, go to YouTube in your web browser. Select a video and launch it. For this example, I will use a video called How to Unlock iPhone with Voice Control from our channel. By the way, subscribe to our channel to see more helpful videos. Let's continue. Once the video starts, pause it and pay attention to the video description. Click on More to expand the description block. Scroll to the top of the page. Next, click on the Show Transcript button in the description. A transcript block will appear to the right of the video. In it you can click on the information you are interested in. After that, the video will automatically scroll to the selected moment. Also, by clicking on the icon with 3 dots on top, you can open the menu and select Toggle Timestamps. After that, timestamps will be hidden. Only the text will remain, which you can select and copy to transfer to a document. Thank you for watching.